My name's Edwina and I'm one of the dancers with Sean-Nós Ar an Sionán. You may have seen us in the All-Ireland Talent Show. In September we performed in front of Sheila Shoiga, Daithí Ó Sé and Paddy Bratnock at the All-Ireland Talent Show auditions. We were one of those lucky acts to be chosen to represent the West. So here's some information on our group. As you can guess, we love to dance. We first met at my Sean-Nós dancing class in Carrick-on-Shannon, County Leitrim. There are 10 members in the group, coming from Sligo, Leitrim, Roscommon and Kerry. This is my cousin Ryan Owens from Stokestown, County Roscommon. He is 8 years old and is the youngest member of the group. Ryan loves playing football and the banjo. Tara Noon is from Carrick-on-Shannon, County Leitrim. She is 11 years old and attends the Girls Mara School. She is also a brilliant Sean-Nós singer. Deirdre Kearns comes from Ballymote, County Sligo. She is 13 and attends Coláiste Mhuire Secondary School. She has won gold medals at community games for soccer. This is Deirdre's sister Niamh Kearns. She is 12 years old and attends Knockmeena Primary School. She too has won gold medals for community games soccer. Ryan Beastie comes from Kilbrusky, County Roscommon. He is 11 years old and plays football and hurling for his local clubs. This is Kerry Ann Murtha from Ballymote, County Sligo. She is 12 years old and plays football for Ballymote GAA Club. Michael O'Rourke comes from Castleisland, County Kerry. He is 26 years old and has won 9 All-Ireland dancing titles. He now lives in County Leitrim. This is Karen Tansey, also from Ballymote in County Sligo. She is 12 years old and plays soccer for Ballymote Celtic. 13-year-old Conal McCormack is from Riverstown, County Sligo. He attends Coolagh Post Primary, is an Oireachtas Sean-Nós dancing champion and plays bodhrán, flute, drums and tin whistle. And finally, this is me, Edwina Guckian. I come from Drumsna in County Leitrim. I'm a primary school teacher and have been teaching dancing to children in the West for 7 years. I play fiddle, tin whistle and concertina. On New Year's Eve, we performed live on the All-Ireland Talent Show representing the West. We topped the public vote and made it straight through to the semi-finals in March. Before I go any further, a huge thank you to everybody from Sean-Nós Ar an Sionán for your great support and votes. Sean-Nós Ar an Sionán have decided if we go on to win the All-Ireland Talent Show, we want to donate €10,000 of the prize money to Our Lady's Children's Hospital, Crumlin. This hospital is one of the largest in the world devoted exclusively to children. There are approximately 100,000 children attendances at the hospital every year. It is the National Referral Centre for children who are suffering from illnesses such as cancer, leukemia, spina bifida and cystic fibrosis. There are some very special children who attend my classes every week that would not be dancing with us today if it weren't for Our Lady's Children's Hospital, so please help us support this cause. So tune in Sunday the 13th of March, RTÉ1 at 6:30. Where Daithí Ó Sé wants you to vote for the West and vote for Sean-Nós Ar an Sionán. You can make the difference. You can put us through to the final of the All-Ireland Talent Show by supporting us. Every one of your votes count. Doing it for Sligo, Leitrim, Roscommon and Kerry. For Daithí, for Our Lady's Hospital, for Sean-Nós and for the West. Vote Sean-Nós Ar an Sionán, Sunday the 13th of March on the All-Ireland Talent Show. Check us out on Facebook at www.facebook.com/Sean-Nós Ar an Sionán. If you missed our performance on New Year's Eve on the All-Ireland Talent Show, here's your chance to catch it again. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.
Sean-Nós Ar an Sionán Shanos and Shannon. What a fantastic, lively dance group from Commonswell with Leitrim. And I even think they'll be blowing in Kerry. When people see Ryan, our feisty redhead, I think there will be echoes of Sean Murphy. We'll go a long way.
Up now, it's the West, and Daithí's determined to book that semi-final place for Team O'Shea.
Dance troupe Shanos and Chillin hail from Sligo, Leitrim and Roscommon and are led by Edwina Guckian. But it was one of the younger members who made a big impression on advisor Sheila Shogya.
To be honest, I thought you were all really good, but I couldn't take my eyes off Ryan dancing.
Ryan was winking at Sheila Shogya. I think that's what got us through.
You will be representing the West.
Are you thrilled, Ryan? Yeah, good man yourself.
We first met at my Shanos dancing class here in Carrick-on-Shannon. We meet every second day down in St Mary's Hall just to practice and get together. We are kind of a family. I spend more time with them than I do anybody else. Everybody ready? When they're doing their Shanos dancing, if you know them well, you can see their characters coming out in them. Like Carrie Ann is the drama queen in the group, and she dances very dramatic. And then there's Ryan. When he's dancing, he's a right little messer, showing off his character. And Tara's like really timid and quiet. And when she's dancing, she's a real little twinkle toes. We've been asked to dance in nursing homes and just entertaining around the place. My granny's up in the hospital that we perform in a lot of the time.
Edwina comes here and dances for a lot of the patients. Keeps them happy.
It's just nice to go in and entertain them. It's something that we've always done even before we formed the group.
It's great fun to see people enjoying themselves when we play music and we dance.
An awful lot of them years ago would have been Shanos dancers in their day, and they really enjoy it. For the live shows, we're going to put on an even better performance than what we did for Daithí. All our supporters are out there depending on us. We don't want to let them down.
Kick-starting it for the West this year are a bunch of light-feeted, smiley-faced youngsters from the banks of the Shannon. This is where new and old meet. Shanos like we've never seen before on the All-Ireland Talent Show. Doing it for the West night, Shanos Edin Tunnan.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Come on up here to me, guys. Okay, we'll talk to the judges. Blánage. Ryan, of course, has been singled out as a bit of a showstopper.
Grania, bhí mis ceapar go the Devaney's go má down to the Shanos. So she cho ítach. It is great to see Leitrim up there. Agus was like a few seasons ago, it was a series one. Though he was going on about sexy Shanos. Forget those terminology rubbish. That is it. That's it. That's what Shanos is. Enjoying it and being natural. That's Shanos.
I'm going to take it that you liked it. I'm going to take it that you like that act.
Oh, I love that.
Okay.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, you'll find out. You'll find out the minute if she likes it.
Oh, yes, we will. Absolutely. Amanda, you've got a trad act yourself tonight. Are you nervous?
Well, they're very different, I have to say, but I really enjoyed it, and I hopefully, you know, everybody's had a tough year this year. Hopefully there was people at home, they put down their dinner plates and they got up and they did a little jig as well with them, so I think they were great fun. Thank you.
Okay, John.
Well,
I want to ask you something. Though he's been bringing Shanos since the start now, is he in danger of turning into a bit of a one-trick pony on us?
Well, I suppose it was always going to be difficult to kind of match the impact, the initial impact of the Mulkerns. That's always going to be a challenge every year, and I think we're back to this again. One slight, it's hardly criticism, it's just in terms of watching ensemble work. Usually you like balance in terms of size, shape, and formation. And it's slightly incongruous maybe having one adult, you're as tall as you are. No. I'm talking about ensemble work. There's room for everybody. I'm just talking about in terms of looking at.
If we could just cut him off at the knees, John. If we could just cut you off now and let Dana get a word in.
There you go.
Dana, though he lost his title to you last year,
I know, and he's not over it yet. But
how many more times tonight am I going to hear this?
Every time. No, everybody enjoyed you, and you had a great sense of happiness about it. But starting with the bluegrass music, I think only emphasises the fact that they got all their bluegrass music and dancing from Ireland. So that was lovely to see that kind of switch back and forth. I think it is a point that you are much taller than the others, Michael, but I know that Edwina's in love with you, and that's why you're there. So,
Dahi.
They were absolutely fantastic. There was a lot going on out there. We know you're really, really extremely talented, but for people at home, lots of people going through hard times these days, and to see young people from the west of Ireland out there enjoying yourselves, you're an example to loads of people.
The highest scoring act and taking a guaranteed place in our semi-finals is... Shanos Edichumman. Congratulations, Shanos Edichumman.